Hello, lovelies, and welcome to the part two of the custom wooden pieces order. And this one was the part two, and as what you saw on the part one, I have just like painted and drawn on all the wooden pieces. And on the second part, I'm gonna just like take pictures of all the wooden pieces for the customers and then back and chip all of them. So I expected actually this video to be a bit longer than 6 minutes because I thought it's gonna be like a 20 minutes something. So after edit, it just like get to 6 minutes. So that's all right. I just like hope you will enjoy the part two as well because I know most of you love to see me actually back orders on my Instagram account. So I thought it's gonna be really fun to share this on YouTube too, and maybe you're gonna enjoy it as well. So in this video, I'm gonna just like share with you how I back mostly all the wooden pieces I got and how I back my orders in general. And also I will be taking pictures of all the wooden pieces I have. So I hope you will enjoy the video, and now let's jump into it.
Down in the hole again. I cannot remember what my life was like. Getting old instead. It's been a few since I got on my bike. You know the way to get right back to what today you like. Do you have what you thought was in store from way back when before? Slowly in time, like a pencil drawn line, erases too close behind, so it's dots. Are you asleep, my friend? 'Cause I ain't been awake as much as I had thought. Can't try.
So that's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed the video and you find it something really fun to watch. I really hope you have a great Friday. See you in my next video. Thank you so much for all your support. Bye.